Hey everybody, this is Crypto Trader here at Mining Trades, and that's my Twitter handle. And I just wanted to share with you guys my, the a little update on the ongoing development of my trading bot here. It is self-coded. I am programming this myself. Here's the strategy tester here in the trading view, and what you see here is the initial capital, which is 1,000. I hope you guys can see this. The slippage is set at 30 ticks, which is $30 roughly. And the commission is set at 0.075, which is BitMEX's commission. And you see the strategy is still, some of the stats are listed down below here. So what you see is, I don't know if you can see this, but how about I take a screenshot and blow it up here? What can I do? Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Here's a screenshot and grab that really quick. This shouldn't take that long. 1, 2, 3. Basically, it's 10,000, 70%. This is over the course of 1 month, 30 days. Pretty good stats. Average trade is about 227 bucks. And yeah, this is the picture I'm getting ready to use on my thumbnail. Right quicker, jigger. Oops. All right, so I believe the stat I just took was right here. Let's get right into it here. Oh Lord. All right, pull it over here. That is big, isn't it? Oh yeah. So I'm just trying to get it in view so people can see what I'm talking about here. So probably a better way to do this would be to I can't even remember how to use this thing no more. Nobody knows it but me. Look at that. That sucks so bad, so much on all levels. So basically, that's the stats right there. Okay, so you see the stat right here was what does that say? sorry, sorry. 10,000% profit, 47 trades, 65%, 61% profitable. The drawdown doesn't matter, and then percent per trade and average trades. All right, so now let's get on with the show over here. So what is this over here? Really? 2002 February. There's my thing right here. I'm gonna use that. All right. Okay, I'm the only one watching. All right, now it's been a long time coming. I made some interesting adjustments. I should say some different added and took away some lines of code, and I got this thing to actually almost get some tops and some bottoms. All right, now so I just want to document this. It actually took a long position at 68.61 on the strategy tester right here, and get rid of this. And In actuality, let's see. In actuality, the trade was actually placed on BitMEX at around, let's see, let's take a look at it. 9:45. I don't know if you guys can see that, and the trade was placed at 68.46. I'm copying that last trade. It's going in at about 5 times leverage because I don't want to soup it up yet. Here I might lose money. I didn't realize I was gonna have to adjust this many times. This is like the 15th version. Second strategy. I have another strategy too that's 100% profitable, but it just takes a long time in between trades. Like it trades like every 3 days. I'm like, oh, I need something faster just for me to feel good about what I'm over here doing, putting myself through. I'm gonna change this to a buy. That dark enough? No, it's not. It's not dark enough. All right. Change this. Paste it in the real value where it bought at, and we can see the slippage was actually better than expected. Okay, it bought lower, and that's great. I'm I'm figuring it's going to buy lower, and then probably at the bottom it's going to buy lower, and then at the top it's going to probably sell lower, which is probably going to be just by default, which is good. Which is good. Nothing's perfect. But that doesn't stop anyone from trying. Am I right? Am I right? Okay. All right. Now that we've got that put out there, let's see what else is happening here. Uh, Pretty much loving loving life when it's going in my direction and hating it when it's not. Pretty much is what I can say is probably everyone's feeling about crypto. I just, the long-term hodlers, man, they're like, I just have to give them props. Like, I haven't really turned and said, crypto is dead. I just can't believe it's dead. People are just, really pessimistic and ready to jump ship. And, of course, the money can leave in an instant. What does that leave our Bitcoin at? You know? But it's amazing. It is quite amazing. What a journey. Now, if we take a look at this long term, look, the chart is green. I mean, the watch list is turning green over here. That was the best time to probably purchase your altcoin when they were like 30% down. Every alt last night before I went to sleep was like 30, 35, 40% down. I saw even Decred was back down to like $50. I was like, oh my God. This is green. This doesn't mean it's not gonna bounce. It could bounce off a ceiling. This could become a ceiling. This 200 moving day average, which I kind of hope that's not a ceiling. I hope we get back above this 200-day moving average. Um, if I go look at some more classical, that's what I call them now, classical stocks. All right, like S&P, SPX. All right, let's get over here to the index call volume. Oh wow, look, it's alive. Order submitted. That's proof that my bot actually works. Bam, there you have it. It just reversed. It took profit and reversed. I don't know where that profit went at, but the fact that it's buying at a higher value than it was before means I made money, and that's what I want to see because it's redeploying 100% of my profit. which for the strategy tester down here is not going to the strategy tester is not going to show. So unfortunately, but yeah, I'm surprised it took. Yeah, that, how much did? Oh, okay, all right. Yeah, and anyway, back at this here now. What's going on? What was I talking about? Jesus, that kind of scared the bejesus out of me. It was like, ding, ding, ding. All right, I liked it. I liked it though. It took profit. Nice bot. bitBull is in the building. All right, now yeah, I want to kind of clear this right here. Clear this 200-day moving average right here. I'll be back. I'll return later. Oh, Monkins, what's up, buddy? My man. Will BTC break 6,156? What chart you looking at? Bitfinex? This is the Bitstamp chart. Bitstamp, baby. Let me see, 15 minutes on the Bitstamp, where these moving averages don't even matter anymore, but some people probably still look at them. Not me. There was a button to clear all my, to hide all my what are indicators. I would push it. I don't think there is one, because this doesn't do it right here. That doesn't do it. Our object tree, our beautiful object tree, manage drawings. There's nothing that says hide all indicators. That would be nice to have though. I would put a request in. Let's see, hide indicators. Study, template, draw, remove, price, color theme, dark. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Time scale, session breaks. Yeah, 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 yeah. I didn't know I can get there from here. I didn't know that. All right. Hide. Nothing. Like I said, been there, done that. Go to this date. Hey, that's a nice thing right there to just pop it up real quick. That's what I like. All right. Anyways, I'm going to have to hide these manually. All right. Temporarily, at least. Look at this. Look at that. What is that? I'm going to save this as clear. Wrong thing. Save as clear. Chart. Interval 15. Yes, that's great. Boom. Now I can pop back in between the two. Let's see. Indicator. If I go back in. Hey, man, that's the wrong thing. Templates. All right, here we go. If I go back into my, that should pop everything up. Boom. There it is. Now, if I say, oh, man, I'm tired of looking at this, I can go right over here. And this is kind of how I operate. This is kind of like my workflow over there on TD Ameritrade. But where's clear at? Clear chart. There it is. Boom. And it cleared it for me. See, boom. It went to the 15-minute too. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. On the next breakup, any. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm thinking about this bounce that we're probably about to in. I wouldn't even say, well, we're going to endure a bounce. I can't say that, but it's definitely probably going to bounce off the top of something. All right. And fall back below underneath things. That's why I wanted to go look at this SPX. No lie. Because if that thing isn't moving up, we not moving. I don't really know. They're saying it's a correlation. What the hell is this underneath here? Is that the volume? Let me. Oh my God, look at that. It can't even find the volume correctly on this SPX index. That's because you know why? You can't trade the SPX. This is an index. I have to go to SPY. Let me see, SPY. Oh God, why? Index. Let's just go to all. All right. RSI. This is the daily chart. No, let's look at a daily chart. God, it was green. It was green today. That's what they were talking about on the CNBC, that this was green. I should put up CNBC right now. Bitcoin futures are up as far as CME, the CME, not CBOE, CME. They're trading. Let me see, what's the size like? One. They only place like one trade a minute. Looking at, they place about like two trades a minute. I don't really see that much volume. That's like, people are like, that's anemic volume. But you gotta have like $40,000, I think, just to even, take one position, take one, what we call shares, or that's the best way to identify what they are. But to take one futures contract out is about, you need to have at least 40,000. It's cheaper if you'd go the CBOE route. But anyways, I'm just interested in trading how I trade right here. The leverage that they give you though can cause this price to go up and down. So on the next break up, all right, let's go look at VIX. Let me. I put all of this stuff in yesterday, and then the charts got erased. So I'm kind of upset. I have to go through this again. The VIX, the volatility index, okay, for CBOE. Let's just go ahead and get that. And that thing went down and went back up. What you want to see with this VIX is it normally stays down here. That's when nobody's scared. But if the volatility stays up here, we're probably gonna have some nice trading sessions going on. What is ABT? All right, time to look at ABT. What is ABT? Watkins. Here, look. Call this number right here so we can talk. All right, as I promised. Give me a call. Can you give me a call right now? Let me know yes or no before I post my phone number up here. No, I'm not going to post the number, actually. That'll be dumb as hell. Oh, what is XBT? I gotta love you, man, because me and you, I think you hit me with stuff I don't know, and I must sometimes, hit you with stuff you don't know. And that's, to me, I thought you knew what XBT was this whole time. Yeah, let's go back over here. Hey, man, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is somebody else's strategy they shared with me, but what happens with this strategy here is that I put these properties in right here, and look, it didn't even change up. That's because this is not the right strategy in here. I don't know what's going on. Let me get out of here. Sometimes that thing acts weird. I don't know what that was, but that definitely wasn't anything to be worried about. All right, that was a previous alert going off because I'm switching through charts. That's what happens when you switch through charts. This thing is not reporting the proper information. This thing is crazy. I can't believe that. Like, if I refresh this, I wonder what it'll do. Stop going off. Look at that. Oh, that's because I used the extra zero. Look, so when I put the right percentage in right there for 30 slippage, the actual percentage for BitMEX, it goes negative 17,000 just from the percentage of the commission being the actual commission. So a guy gave me this, and he was like, check this out. I'll do 900 I got it to show up 900% a month, and I was just like, okay, let me check it out. But I see now that he's not like counting his he's not counting his commissions and stuff like that. So I mean, he said he's been making good on this one, so that's pretty cool. But on my strategy, if you strategy test mine is at 1,097 as I showed, and it is showing you the actual commission rate, which is 0.075, which is very hard to do at that type of commission rate. Now, what we're going to talk about now is XBT, because XBT is Bitcoin futures. Okay, that's what XBT is, Bitcoin futures. Also, that relates to SIBO. If you go look up / I don't know how to, you have to Google this stuff sometimes, but XBT on BitMEX, as you know, when you get on BitMEX's contracts over here, let me pull this down right here so I don't scare anybody. That's kind of scary, it's going backwards on me again. But anyways, what you see is XBT right here is the name of the futures contract right here. So XBT, they got all these different names, but that's how you differentiate. Except for SIBO's BTC over there at SIBO. Let me see something. Have I ever tried to pull that up? Let me see. Yeah, I did before, but it's here it is right here. Here's CME futures right here. It's on TradingView, you gotta pay extra for that, but let me pull up something here. So what you see here is a daily chart. If I try to go down to like say hourly, that's end of day yesterday. Around end of day today is going to be at is going to be around my time. Futures market closes and opens back up. It closes at 2:15 and opens back up at 3. Okay, so end of day for futures is going to be around my time, which is right here, 2 p.m. In Tokyo, that's going to be 7. London is, London. I'd have to change this to London. Oh, come on. United Kingdom, England. All right, added that. What time is that going to be? My time is 2 o'clock. Hey, man, he's looking different. 2 p.m. London time, that's going to be, so I would say about 2 hours from now. No, not 2 hours. I'm sorry. Right now it's 11 o'clock my time, 19 o'clock UTC time. So how many hours is that? 1, 2, 3, 3 hours from now. 2 p.m., 10 p.m., 10 p.m. That's when time futures close, and so that's when we'll be able to see what it actually looks like. Let me get back on the chart over here. BTCH. All right, that thing only goes back so far. It goes back. Actually, it's showing where it started at. It started this date right here, which is December 18th ish. Let me see. Now let's go back to over here. It's 1905 here. 1905. Okay. That means that's UTC time. Yeah. See, look, 1905. That's UTC. You're right on UTC time. Okay. Where you at? How about you call my phone, man? Call my phone. Let me pull up my Google. Google Voice stuff over here. All right. Hide some of my conversations. That shit sucks. Nothing I can do. Okay, I'm gonna give you the phone number. England. I don't know. What do you XBT is a symbol for Bitcoin futures, Monkins. There's another Bitcoin, there's a SIBO Bitcoin futures, and then there's the XBT. All right. See this BitMEX? It says BitMEX, right? You can't see that though. Let's see if I can pull up the let me see if I can pull up the what is it called? SIBO. Here it is, right here. XB German. The Gemini 4 p.m. Bitcoin auction price index. XBTS. All right, let's pull that up. That's SIBO. They're going based off Gemini. Let's pull this up in here. All right, this ends on a date. This is like you got to pay for these future prices right here because we go to the day. You can barely see this stuff. It's like I'd have to pull a line chart up for this, which is pretty simple to do. Grab. No. Charts, candles, bars, lines. There we go. It's such low volume, okay? But it's getting tracked. This is Gemini right here. XBTS. You can call that number, but I'm in America. You probably can't call it, so don't even worry about it. This only shows us end of day time. So at the end of the day, which will be at 2:15 my time, which will be at the end of the day your time. End of the day my time for futures, any futures contract end of the day is 2:15 my time. Okay, which turns out to be 10 at night in London. So 10 tonight it'll be end of the day. That's real end of the day time for you. GMT, London. Right now. So it's 7 o'clock right now out there. All right, let's move forward. I'm still looking at the chat window. All right, so that's the VIX. That's the spiders. All right, let's get my candles back out. Oh, Lord, there it is. Hakanashi. Hakanashi. I've been thinking about making a strategy with the Hakanashi. Damn, look at that Bitcoin. Am I short right now? What the hell's going on? I'm not supposed to be short with this green going on. Oh, I see what you're saying. They use XBT in the European international exchanges. I believe that. I believe internationally. They were the first ones to bust out the futures. I know that for a fact that BitMEX is an international exchange and they use XBT, but they've been using XBT for a while. So I'm pretty sure that's why, because yeah, it's been that index is the actual true index right here. This one right here. Let me take Hakanashi off. Actually, I wanted to look at it on the 15-minute. Look at that. Look at that. You can trade it right here. As soon as it turns red, you're good to go. Look right here. As soon as it turns red, out of profit. As soon as it turns red, if it turns green, you better stay green. If it turns red and it turns back green, that'll chop you up right there. Then you'll go in profit. So right here, you get chopped up once. Then it turns red. You probably can get back in, chop you up. Chop up is it. All it takes is one candle in between. Like here, this green one right here. Chop Fest City. Look at that. Chop Fest. Look, you be like, yeah, I'm red. I'm in profit. Then you be like, oh, it's gonna go up. Then it's go. Oh no, it's So you just lost money right there. So, oh, you lost money again right here. Boom. Oh, you lost money again right there. Oh, you lost money again right there. And then it goes down on your eyes. Oh, yeah, Hakanashi. Beware of that. Beware of the chop. That's hard to see. Look at that. Well, man, what chart is this? This is not my chart. This is somebody else's chart. Let me pull my old template out. It's called Daybreaks. Yes. There it is. There it is. Now that's my chart. There. Those are my candles. Those are still not my candles though, but those are pretty close. So what I'll have to do is hit save. Then go up in here, fix this brighter to brighter. All right. It's a brighter. All right, there they go. Now, that's my chart right there. That's it. All right, 15 minutes. Ain't that incredible? Chances of it going, I like what you said. XUD. What's XUD? X means it is international. Oh, gold is gold international. Let's see. You asked me a question earlier. Let me see. 6,156. Yeah, you're in London. You can still buy crypto with your real money. Those credit cards are actual credit card purchases on credit. You can't buy crypto on credit. That's how they should word it. But if you have like a debit card, you put some money on it, and you can go straight over there to Coinbase and buy you some crypto if you want. Um, I advise no one. I don't want anyone. I don't think anyone should buy any stocks on credit. I mean, that's kind of crazy. They are lending you the money, so they don't even want you paying your bills with credit. That's what's crazy and bizarre. Oh, did you hear the good news about Finecoin? I hope you got you some Finecoin. I don't think anybody used my link on Finecoin. Normally, I get people, some certain, like at least 3 people to use my link, but nobody used my link on Finecoin is turning out to be a fine coin. Yeah, because of the fact that they're actually allowing USDT, even though USDT may crash soon. uh, yeah, I don't mean to laugh, but yeah, I got a lot of windows open over here. Let me try to. Okay, my account balance is hidden. I'm going to be showing you guys uh, the TD Ameritrade. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let me put it on this side. All right, how about we do this? Let's switch screens real quick. And then I'm going to hide the, what is Bitstamp price? Look at that. It's getting green. I want it to turn red, but it's probably going to. Maybe it's not. Who cares? What my bot knows what it's doing. Hey, you got to put your trust into the bot. All right, I'm gonna blow this up and talk about what we're looking at right here. I'm gonna put this on one chart. All right, this is TD Ameritrade. Okay, and I'm gonna just go through some XBT.
Day. Stock market volatility, rising interest rates. Will the central bank change its course at all as a result? Our senior economics report. There is no junior economics report. Steve Leisman is here to join us now.
Believe the Fed, in response to the recent downdraft in stocks, is somewhat less likely to hike three times this year, but it's made only a few tweaks in the outlook for the Fed. Take a look at the probabilities, and we'll explain how they're different. 77.5% probability of a March hike. That had been up near 90%, but still, a lot of folks think that Jay Powell, the new Fed chairman, goes through with that first.
Mute your ass. All right, let's do this. If they start talking about Bitcoin, I'm probably gonna Dow briefly entered correction territory before rebounding. Correction territory before rebounding. Okay, it's still red. Fed shock list. Let's see. Let's listen to this.
Things on that checklist. The first two it does immediately. It wonders, is there danger for the banks? Is there an effect on market functions? Then it goes broader. Is there an economic effect and an effect on financial?
All right, I'm pausing that. I'm muting that. All right, so look, check it out. This is the Bitcoin futures. Which one is this? This is SIBO. You go to futures. So underneath futures, you can see now you see Bitcoin contracts. So with the tick size is 5. So every $5 you make $25 every time that Bitcoin moves $5. That's pretty decent. All right, that's decent. I can't even understand. One contract, initial margin requirement $17,000. $17,000. So if you got a $17,000 account, you can go ahead and trade. If I had $17,000 in my account, I can go ahead and trade one contract of Bitcoin futures and make about $25 every $5 it moves. That's crazy money. By the way, TD Ameritrade's platform, this is called Thinkorswim. It's free. You go get you one. It also has crazy paper money trading, which I don't. When you probably scared to trade with real money, you're probably. So now let's look at the other one. That one actually says BTC, which is interesting. The other one says XBT, and I'm looking for it. And I just XBT. Here it is, right here. SIBO. Now this is tick size is $10. So every $10 it moves, you make $10. But the initial margin requirement is only $4,000. Now, to a lot of people that want to trade Bitcoin, there you go. Right there. That's a normal, futures contract looks like. That's pretty standard right there. It would be better if this moved like $1 and that made you $10. You get liquidated though real quick. They give you so much margin. They give you like a whole Bitcoin or something like that, I believe. All right, so look, I'm not gonna say anything except now if I pull up what we're doing today. All right, this is what today looks like on a what chart am I looking? 2-minute chart. All right, I'm gonna pull this into a day chart. Oh Lord, why do I got these things on here? Don't I have a clear chart? Cleaner. All right, cleaned it. All right. It's a lot different. This chart behaves way different than what you call it, a trading view chart. All right. So this is today, right here. This whole part right here where you see the no coloring. Here's the time in sales right here. I pull up and you can see there's really no sales going on. It's completely different. Like whoever trades this, no one's really trading this. I have to say, nobody's trading this thing. Okay, let's see. But it's still good to look at. Like this trend line, this trend line was way different last night. It's actually we're back in an uptrend. I got so much better. Like I don't know how to explain. I'm not even gonna go into this. This TD Ameritrade has such good quality tools and indicators. Man, it's crazy. There are more traders on TD Ameritrade than any other platform. By the way, that's why they're able to provide you with this TV for free. What are they talking about?
Are probably going to come under pressure.
I just want to make one point, which is that in the world we live in today, I find it hard to think that there are going to be any supply constraints at all that could lead to the kind of inflation we had in the 1970s. It simply was not the same world. It's a very different world right now.
There were so many price controls back then.
You didn't get on the phone to a place in China.
Now you said they're avoiding any type of word like crash. Don't talk about the crash, right? When it's Bitcoin, it's like Bitcoin crashed, terrible crash. They can't stand because they haven't gotten in. Bitcoin is one of the like the dollar, like gold. It's a Ponzi scheme. Everybody, I mean, nobody knows that everything's a Ponzi. You buy it in first, you get in the capitalism game first, you make all the money. Boom, you're at the top of the totem pole. You don't want to give up that position. Just like Trayvon James and Craig Grant, they didn't want to give up their position in BitConnect. They didn't even want to think about anything like Finecoin or Chrysos, Avercoin until their bubble pop. Once a real bubble pops and never gets recreated. So, but their Ponzi schemes. When Amazon pops one day, it's gonna pop. It may go. It may come. It may bubble back up again. I just call those long-term Ponzi's. That's just me. I mean, that's probably a bad word to call a healthy market, but I just want to make sure you understand. Everybody understand those are all Ponzi schemes and they're all bubbles. Okay. I'm reading a book right now called The Everything Bubble. You guys should go check it out. It's brand new. Anyway, I've been looking at this. I'm not sure why it looks like this. Let me go to the 15-minute. Hey, where's my 15-minute? Freak fuck, what's going on? Oh, here it is. All right, see, look. It broke out of that channel. That's what I wanted to draw attention to. That channel right there. Look at that. See, it's drawing my trend lines for me. We broke out of that at 1 o'clock yesterday. And it was at about 6,525. That's why I said what I said, 6,025. Then it came back down here. It's bouncing off this down on top of it, though. Then it came down to 6,311. I'm like, oh, Lord. Then it bounced right up off that junk. 6,300. It bounced right off of the top of that thing, man. And it's up here and it's bouncing off of this thing. It's soon this thing is going to draw some new trend lines. It does it. It's an indicator that draws. It's called pivot points. Where the hell? How can I find? I haven't been using this thing in a while. It's called the projection points. Okay. Theoretical projection points. All right. So yeah. So I just wanted to pull this up on the screen. Right now it's trading at 7,280. Okay, and that's pretty damn close to where we are right now. As a matter of fact, 7,240. God damn. All right, it's a little bit bigger. All right, wow, amazing. Now, as many times as I have to redo this thing, is is like really annoying at times. They need to work. They need to fix their, Trading View is pretty good though. I'm not gonna badmouth them. I want to save this as Daybreak again, but it takes a while before you understand how to save things correctly and pull it back up. Damn, I don't remember the name of it. Cancel.
All right, Barclays making a big call on volatility in stocks
Lowercase.
all the way back in
Save
December
as.
2014. This is what they wrote, and I posted it on my Facebook page as well. Volatility shorting is happening via leveraged ETPs, exchange-traded products, and this is a cause for concern, especially because effective liquidity is thinner, and managers of these products are required to buy VIX volatility futures as they go up, which could amplify volatility moves. By the way, that was back in 2014. Now Barclays writes, we estimate that the current AUM, assets under management in this type of strategy, is $305 billion, and they, managers, would likely need to decrease their leverage given the increase in expected volatility. Although the precise timing is difficult to ascertain, the estimate is that these funds will need to sell $225
Gemini,
billion.
this is end of day yesterday, 7,200. This is end of day yesterday, 7,200. So we're waiting until 2:15 my time
I'm not sure
to see what closes out at for these exchanges. So I'm going to go ahead back over here to
which I don't think anybody had ever heard of except for you and about 8 other people before you.
BitMEX.
No, I heard about it because I had a bunch of
No, Bitstamp. Let's go to Bitstamp.
Look at this thing right at 4:15 when
Coinbase is at
settled.
7,267. We're underneath the buy zone. I called out a while ago.
The short
Here's
volatility
Bitstamp.
trade backfired with yesterday's spike in the VIX.
The newly trusted exchange data that I like looking at, which is Bitstamp, and it's in England, right?
It's
in
an
London.
exchange-traded note, which moves in opposition to the VIX, and just opened about a half hour ago, down about 94%. The notes were issued by Credit Suisse, which announced this morning that it would be winding down the ETN by January 20th. Credit Suisse said it would not materially impact their firm. But another security had a similar fate, ticker SVX.
Credit Suisse to end trading on the VIX.
Managed by ProShares, so it won't be liquidated, but its value is certainly under pressure today, down more than 84%.
That thing went down so far. XIV.
Regulators to classify other exchange-traded products differently than what they do, use plain vanilla ETFs. If anything, it's certainly called more attention to ETNs and the risks they embody, guys.
Yeah, this is the big deal. And the hard part about this story, and Tyler, you and I were talking about this before the show today, which is
let's go look at the XIV.
Our audience can understand. We have a lot of smart viewers, but we may have some new viewers because of what's happened the last few days. And this is not an easy story to tell.
Whoa.
No, it's not, because ETNs by nature are not easy stories to
And they're
tell.
mysterious, and you don't know
Let's
what's
put the
in
logarithmic scale up.
Exactly. Well,
Look where it's at. Anybody see where it was? It was up here, and now it's down there. It was at 110.
How about that? 175 pages.
They shorted the
relatively small
snapples out of this dang on fucking thing, man. Look at this.
So this was about 1.2 billion before yesterday's aftermarket.
I don't even know why they trade this ETN.
About 200 million or so.
Look at where it's at now, 6. And they like, oh, we don't want no one else trading no more. I don't know what happened. I don't know who lost money. I don't know what happened. But that's what they're talking about.
Connect me to how this
NASDAQ is in the red. That is definitely. I wish I would have shorted it right here if I'd have known about it. Volatility shares. That is volatility.
So then,
goodness gracious,
trade didn't work anymore. You got to sell the other equities to become more liquid.
Right in there. Money just gets transferred. Yeah, you're right.
Credit to the Barclays guy, and I called him today, and we're hoping to get him on the show. Is this? He thinks, Barclays thinks, there's $305 billion, Michelle, tied into these strategies, and if we need to meet the liquidity demands, Barclays thinks we're going to have to sell $200 billion more worth of equities That's the power and the pain
And
of
that
leverage.
memo you just read was from this morning, not
Yeah, so there's two memos
from this morning.
The second part was from today. The first part was from December 22nd of 2014, where they're like, hey, we're getting worried about these strategies. And by the way, it only got bigger in the 2.5 years or
That's
whatever.
a head and shoulders right here.
And it's important to note that this XIV strategy is not the only way you can short volatility. The other ETF
This
that we
right
mentioned is
here.
not the only way you can short volatility. Hedge funds are shorting volatility in other ways.
15 minutes.
Equity, cash, boom, 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 boom,
So
boom.
that like $3 billion exposure that we've seen just in those two securities is not emblematic of that entire trade. That entire trade is much, much larger.
The end of the day is right here.
And cleverly, the XIV
And about what?
of the V.
No, this is the end of the trading day right here at 1 o'clock. I don't know what the hell. What am I looking at? 1 o'clock is
A lot
right.
of traders going to need an IV after the last couple of
That's 11 o'clock. 1 o'clock. What's today?
To Sue Herrera with your CNBC News.
Trading doesn't end this damn shit.
And thank you, Ty. Here's what's happening at this hour.
I'm out of here.
Secretary of State Rex Tillerson meeting with Peru's
What's
president.
going on with the IQ option? Everybody talking about IQ
Tillerson
option.
thanked him for Peru's support against North Korea's nuclear program.
I mean, options, no, I don't. I trade real options.
Peru has given the United States and the international community. And
My focus is on my bot right now. When I stop focusing on my bot, and I know my bot is doing good, and I don't have to worry about it, I will go try out the IQ options on a 1 minute
A federal judge
and
says
see if
there
I
will be
win
an
the prize.
anonymous jury at the trial of Mexican drug lord Joaquin El Chapo Guzman. He said he agrees with prosecutors the measure is needed to quiet any fears the jury about being
Bye-bye, El
harassed or
Chapo.
intimidated or harmed. A new study suggests more children are affected by fetal alcohol syndrome than previously thought. Researchers at the University of California, San Diego assessed more than 6,000 first graders across the U.S.
That sounds like Kylie and the Kardashians over there,
Disorder was up to 5
affected by the
times
fetal
higher
alcohol
than past
condition.
estimates. You're up to date. That's the news update this hour. Power Lunch is back in 2 minutes.
Monkeys! All right, man, check it out. Here we go. We're the only ones here. Everybody else is working. This is my job. I don't know what people look at it. Oh my God, this is amazing. When I look at what I'm looking at, I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. That's all green. These are all the other different contracts over at BitMEX. All right. Done with that. Done with that, done with that, done with that. And I went short over here. I'm going to get rid of this. I don't want to look at this no more. And then let's pull the other to the other side. We go. 3 minutes. It went long there. And now short here. So I got to change this. Hey, that was no fun. It's not locked. What are you talking about? See how stupid that was? That was just dumb as hell. Alright, sometimes this thing doesn't work the way you planned it to work. Yep, it's not working the way I planned it to. So I'll just go grab one of these myself, put it here. I think I went short here, right? Jesus. Didn't I just do this? That's what's crazy to me. I don't understand. What's wrong with this chart? I swear I just did this. All right. Make it bigger. Why me? Lord, why me? That is not big. They're lying. They're making up shit. Now let's just say I think it did get short. It did get short, and I didn't really track it. I haven't been tracking it because I've been making this video. Copy, paste. I got short at 1,746. Oh, that was pretty on the dot right there. That was pretty much on the dot. Unfortunately, shorts are getting liquidated right now. But those are some small contracts. Oh, there's one for $51,000 getting short, getting liquidated. The short got liquidated. He had a position on with 51,000. Will it bounce off of here? This last thing. Why did my buy get short right here? Are you crazy? All right, you could have got short over here. You know, that's what I'm thinking about. Anyways, I think I'm pretty much done. I don't want to make these videos too long. Paste this in your browser. Take to space V out. All right. Okay. I don't see it yet. Got 4 minutes, 3 minutes and a half remaining on this video. Of course, I can go over that. There's some things I gotta, do. Which one? Which video should I click on? Negative. Just that simple little. This. All right. Monex is alive. All right.
Hey Crypto Kids, this is Crypto Dad, here to help you.
The IBB link. I didn't see no IBB link. Oh, okay. I see what you're talking about now. Dear user, IQ option is currently unavailable in your country. If you think you're seeing this message by mistake, please contact support. You got to be careful. I always, tend to look at, I don't like spreads that a lot of the classical brokers use on Bitcoin. I like my 1 cent spreads. So I like BitMEX. That's cool though, man. I'd have to definitely check it out a little bit further to see what their pricing is like. Bitmain hit $2.3 billion turnover recorded. Did they just take profit? I'm trying to figure out who the hell sold all those Bitcoins and made the market fall down. Well, they definitely got $3,000 of my money. They definitely got that. My little 2 miners over here just making bread. I didn't want even to check how much they made today. I'm just terrified to see what it looks like. Let me go right ahead over here now. Reload. Let's see how much cost per transaction. Let's smooth it out. 200-day moving average. 30-day, 14-day, 7-day. No average. It's sharp, man. It's sharp. With no average, look how sharp that is. That's how I like to look at the chart. I want to see every bump and dump, dump and bump, pump and dump. I want to see it all. All right, let me see. Let's get back on something channel's about. Where people get too distracted. Nobody's ever watching this till later anyway. What my buddy Mount Monk is talking about. Okay, I think this is pretty good to go from here. You see, I kind of wanted to let this linger so I could see the next trade that the bot places on camera, but I think I caught one. But it looks terrible. Look how it looks. It's ugly. Remember, this is BitMEX. I'll show you that this. Let's go to the 15-minute just so we can actually look at this. This is past this part right here on BitMEX. Of course, BitMEX always, they kind of cheat. I anticipate they're cheating. They've basically, if you really look at this and see what it is, okay, we're gonna hold it up to the light, and basically it's 100. It's about a $35 difference right here. It goes up here, hits everybody, stops, and then comes back down. It's pretty much what it's gonna do. But if you look at the actual chart of, let's say, a reputable exchange like Bitstamp, you're going to see that same, now it's going above it. Now it's going above it. Okay. So it is going above it. It's right here. It's going above it up here. Okay. By like a lot, by like $48. You can't see that, but that's like $7,450. $4,460. It's getting rejected right now. It went up there and got rejected. We're going to look over here, and you see a lot of red. Last trades. You guys want to hear what it sounds like? That's what it sounds like. If you can hear that. Oh Lord, let me turn this off. No one wants to hear that. Only in Europe, right? Bitstamp. Starting to like Europe. Starting to like England. All right, so Is it going to get rejected from this point, or is it going to go higher? And my bot is going to make my bot look like it's an idiot. Not me. I don't look like it. I programmed it. I don't make its decisions. It's just following some lines of code. It's an algorithm, step by step. All right. Get rejected. Make my code worthy of a video before I end the video out. Flipping scenes. That's my Twitter handle. Oh, look at that red candle showing up right when I needed it to. My bot is making me dough right now. Man, you guys don't know how I feel to have a bot make dough for you. To work on my graphics, do some design work. Might try to apply this to other markets soon and see if, what else I can accomplish. Charlie, is his name Charlie? Charlie Lee, I think. Bobby Lee. No, yeah, Charlie Lee, the creator of Litecoin, was talking so much shit about Cardano. He was like, yeah, Cardano, I would never put my money in. Cardano is just, they don't even have a product. He said this a couple of days ago in a meeting when they were asking him questions. He was like, they don't have a product, but they got, $3-4 billion, and they don't even have a working product without no bugs. He was just like, he said, in Litecoin, when we first got started, we only had like $400,000, and we were a fully working product. So he was like, that product just came out, and they already got. Shows you that these people that are investing are just not really, they don't really know what they're doing. If they don't go get Litecoin, they're going to be losing some money. Like my new coin picks are, of course, like, so I don't do coin picks like Litecoin, Bitcoin, because I think everybody knows that's where you really should be putting your money. But Monero, Dash, Litecoin. Do I have to say Bitcoin and Ethereum? God dang, if y'all ain't got none of those, I think y'all are just, if you're new to this, you definitely got to go get you some Litecoin while you can, because Litecoin is definitely cheap as fuck. Litecoin is cheap as hell right now. I might take my Bitcoin I got and go get some Litecoin. All right. What are you doing? Look at it. It's going against me. Is that expected? Yeah. It's only a good $500 away from me. Shit. That is crazy. What to do? Nothing. I got it built in where my damn volatility, man, look, it's accounting for at least $2,500 against me before taking profit. So this thing can go against me $2,500, and I'm still gonna make money based on my mathematics. That's how I just dumb everything down. I'm sorry. My mathematics is a dumbed down way of saying based on my algo and my based on my excuse me, variables and limitations. And oh Lord, look at that! Somebody's calling me. I can't believe it. Well, I wanted to keep this on, but this is going to be a while. It's probably not going to pull back for a while, so I'm just going to end it here. And the pullback we're talking about is the one that comes back down here, not the other pullback, whatever. Don't be confused. All right, I'm out of here. Take care, peace, and profit.